Hello everyone, thank you for this opportunity. My name is Rosina Lekawile and I'm going to present our research under the title Students' Attitude Towards Oral Presentation in Virtual Learning at English Education Study Program of Patimura University. Since COVID-19 pandemic, all learning activities are fully done online. This is very influence teaching and learning process, especially in English class. Teaching and learning system is a new way to do it. This may change the student's attitude, of course. There are some expert opinion about attitude. Attitude is described as a character or propensity to react positively or negatively toward a certain thing such as an idea, object, person, or situation. For students, attitude is one of the most significant factors that determine their learning success or achievement. Takechi also states that as a socio-psychological factor, the role of attitude on the language learning process should be taken into consideration. Kudo 1999, as quoted in 2021, stated that attitude in a language learning context controls an individual's motivation and is especially relevant for language learning because language learning includes many different aspects besides simply learning skills. During students' learning process, the students will show their interest or rejection of the learning. In our research, attitude can be a problem faced by the students which influence their language learning progress. So we find it interesting since virtual learning is an uncommon method for students, especially in doing an oral presentation in a second language acquisition class. Here are the research questions. Number one, what are students' attitude towards the virtual oral presentation? The second, what are the factors affecting students' emotional attitude on their virtual oral presentation? The method that we use, this research applied a qualitative research method. The data was obtained from the questionnaire that distributed for the students and also interviewed. The subject of this study consists of 15 students who enrolled in second language acquisition class. Now we come to findings and discussion. The first data comes from questionnaire. The result of the questionnaire regarding students' attitude towards oral presentation in virtual learning are in the following. You can see in table 1 about the answer of participants who filled the questionnaire. There are 5 participants who answered 10 questions, item 1 until item 10. From this table or from this data, we come to the percentage form in the chart as you can see in this slide. From this chart, the higher percentage in item 7, it's about self-confidence. So most students felt self-confidence in doing oral presentation in virtual class. And the lowest is about less preparation. So now we look at the explanation. The result of the questionnaire showed that most students in the second language acquisition class held a positive attitude toward the virtual learning presentation. The majority of 11 students, 70 to 73, strongly agreed, and 2 students or 13% agreed that the oral presentation in virtual learning brings many advantages and improves self-confidence. On the other hand, 10 students or 55 to 65% strongly agreed that it reduces their anxiety level and also improves their self-discipline and motivation. While 9 students, 53 to 55 students, strongly agree that the oral presentation was more interesting, enjoyable, fun, and also preferable. On the contrary, from the data of questionnaire, there were only 5 students, or around 33 to 35 students, who felt that it helps them with less preparation. So most students need more preparation before doing the oral presentation in virtual class. Now we come to the second data from the interview. In the interview, there are 5 questions, and I will give you some example of the interview result. For example, for the question such as which one do you think is more enjoyable in doing oral presentation through virtual or conventional learning? Why is that so? And the answer mostly it is going to be virtual oral presentation because they think they don't need face the audience and the lecturer directly, and it may reduce their anxiety level. The other example, do you prefer an oral presentation through virtual learning or through conventional learning? And they prefer virtual oral presentation. The results have shown that there are 11 of 15 students in this second language acquisition class had a positive attitude toward oral presentation and virtual learning. It means that in face-to-face oral presentation that they had high speaking anxiety by having great fear to get involved in a conversation, great fear of the audience, and a great fear of failure. Anxiety affected their performance in an oral presentation. Those are 3 functions of speaking that I mentioned before that cannot be reached by the student if they did less effort in speaking because they had high speaking anxiety. So the anxiety level affected their performance in speaking for the presentation subject. So students were anxious when the lecturer started pointing them to speak in front of their friends. The student also refused to sit in front row of the class because they are afraid to be asked by the lecturer. Based on all the data from the questionnaire and the interview, that the student mostly show their positive attitude to oral presentation in second language acquisition class. The conclusion here is oral presentation in virtual learning benefits so much to improve student motivation in English virtual learning of second language class compared to face-to-face oral presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye-bye.